Welcome to Idiots on the Road, where cars, chaos, and comedy collide. From shocking crashes to funny street moments, we bring you the wild side of driving. Stay tuned, because every second here keeps you hooked. His fists thought they were tough, but the mirror was on vacation. I think he should try punching a pillow next time. One wrong move and this driver became a passenger in his own car on a terrifying ride that demonstrates the deadly cost of not keeping a safe distance. This trucker forgot that backing up requires brains, not just muscle. Now, an innocent parked car is dealing with a high-voltage, expensive dose of instant karma. The final cost of blocking a home door is always higher than the parking ticket. This selfish driver just earned a brutal power tool lesson in boundary respect. This man parked so badly he deserved a special award, and the neighborhood delivered a hilarious, shame-filled note they'll never forget. A peaceful lakeside moment turned chaotic when the car decided to take a swim on its own. Chase, panic, and comedy all in one. One careless parking, one hilarious revenge. The car was completely taped to a tree. This is lesson for you. Respect others' spaces or face the consequences. This hidden iron pipe snagged the trailer, shredded the rear tires, and turned a routine turn into a deadly skid. This desperate owner is learning the hard way that you can't win a wrestling match with a tow truck. Once that wheel lift engages, your bad parking karma is official. This man thought breaking her mirror was a power move, but she just redefined instant karma with a single, well-delivered punch. You can't control on your laugh after see this clip. And what would you do if you were in his place? A man parked a car on the pedestrian street, and people flipped the car over. A harsh but hilarious lesson in blocking the way. This couple chose extreme customization as punishment for a truly idiotic parking job. That's a masterclass in making the best of a bad situation. Forget the damage. This driver just secured a front row, private, and utterly hilarious car wash-up party. Not all road rage involves driving. Some people get their best workouts challenging inanimate objects. This is the definition of a confusing one-sided battle. A loose tire is a small danger, but a sudden stop on the motorway is a catastrophic one. This shocking chain reaction is the brutal lesson in maintaining speed and distance. This is the ultimate revenge for stealing a parking spot, giving the offender's car an unscheduled tow to a new, unknown location. This is a critical lesson in public safety. When you block a fire hydrant, the fire department will create an emergency entrance without asking your permission first. Is this a taxi trying to win an F1 race, or just a driver who forgot how brakes work? We have never seen a vehicle drift this badly while carrying a fare. This dog clearly wanted to skip the walk and grab some coffee, but failed the parking test spectacularly. This is what happens when you let your furry friend take the wheel. Breaking mirrors for revenge. Smart move or mistake? Who needs bear spray when you've got a rope and quick thinking? A smart move, or could possibly go wrong? This isn't an accident, it's a terrifying rampage of sheer madness and destruction. This driver decided to teach every parked car a brutal, expensive lesson. This car driver reckless parking spree didn't just damage cars. It delivered a clear lesson on why control and responsibility define a real driver. When you park without considering others, you don't just take a spot. You steal someone's time and peace of mind. Stopping suddenly in front of truck. Was that bravery or pure stupidity? Hitting a cop car isn't just